Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my another video. After many days now I am making a video. I couldn't make any video because I was sick. I had a fever and I stay in Dhaka. I work there. My mother asked me, "How are you?" Then I told to my mother, "No, mother, I am not good. I have a fever." Then she told me, "Since you have a fever, then you can come to the village. I will take care of you." Then I came to my village 2 days ago. Now I am in my village. Look around me. There are so many green trees around me, and there is a pond in back of me. Look, the water is not good of that pond, and there are so many paddy field uh, in back of me, and the sun is setting, and the sun is setting. I am walking on a small playground. Some children come here to play football. And look, the weather is very clean. I like this weather.